there's a really good mix of native and non-native species. Quince, crabapple, wild cherry, plum cherry, damson and pear, juneberry, strawberry tree, dogwood, hazel, that everyone will be familiar with, hazelnuts, fig, medlar, black mulberry. It's about reintroducing people to nature, I think, is really important, and I think that's one of the aims of this being an edible woodland. It encourages foraging and encourages people to get back out and exploring woodlands. Also, from an environmental perspective, it's a lot of benefits of the urban forest to London and cities and everyone in them. And the good thing about the edible forest here is the berries and nuts also are brilliant for wildlife, which will encourage biodiversity, loads of plants and animals, and should be great for the capital as a whole.
Very good, very good. Yes, give me a play. High five.
It's part of a project to plant trees all around London, which should see London's tree cover increased from 20% of London's area to 25%. We're doing this because trees are really important for the environment. They help to remove pollution and carbon from the air and to alleviate flooding as well with groundwater. And one of the parts of this project that's really interesting is that a lot of the trees we're using are actually food-bearing trees that the community can use, and that helps young people in the city who often don't learn a lot about where our food comes from, actually have some practical examples that they can understand. So that's an additional benefit from the project today.
It can make a huge difference to a local space. So here we're in a playing field here, and so we're planting just along the boundary. But what we're doing is making the site look much more attractive, and also it can contribute towards resilience of the city in terms of resilience towards climatic changes that are happening. It's because they have so many functions and vital functions. That's where the value of them really comes into play. So in terms of, as an individual, you can relate to a tree. A shade, just standing under shade, can make a difference to you as an individual. And as a local community, but it's in terms of the scale of planting that when the value really starts to kick in.